Hey guys, welcome to Physics Only. My name is Bhautik Kapadiya. Let's get started. This video is about what is the best place to learn the classical mechanics. In this quarantine, you have a lot of time. If you want to recall your classical mechanics or you want to learn the classical mechanics practically, so watch this video till the end. In this quarantine, you guys have a lot of time. So it's time to utilize that time to learn the classical mechanics. You can recall the classical mechanics or learn the classical mechanics from the beginning. This course is completely practical. Yes, this course is completely practical. This course is provided by the MIT Open Courseware and the teacher is Walter Lewin. The Walter Lewin is the best teacher of the physics. As you most of you guys know the Walter Lewin. Who is the Walter Lewin? I have already uploaded his 2 or 3 videos on our YouTube channel. I have reviewed some of the lectures in my one of the articles, and you can go for the anywhere. You can search the Google, YouTube, any search engine. Just type the MIT Open Courseware Classical Mechanics or Classical Mechanics by Walter Lewin. You will get the course. I will provide the link in the description below so you guys don't have to work hard. Now subscribe to our channel for the science motivation and yes, for the science motivation only.